Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle. If you are interested in this subscription, I will leave a link for it down there below in the description bar. And I have to tell you guys, normally when I get this in the mail, it is sent by the United States Postal Service. And I've never had a problem with the package being damaged at all. And this time, for some reason, UPS delivered it and they destroyed my box. But as long as everything is safe and okay inside, I'm fine with that because I really don't care about the packaging. I just throw it away when I am done. But yeah, they really destroyed my box, and this is not the fault of BohemStyle or Check Beads exclusive. This is totally the mail delivery service. I was talking to my mom and she said how she recently had a box that was destroyed and she had medicine in it that was very expensive medicine, and luckily the medicine wasn't ruined, but I guess it's because it's the holiday season, things are really hectic and it's kind of hard to deliver packages that are intact. So let's go ahead and let's open this up and see what's inside. And like I've talked to you guys before, this here has a link in it to a video tutorial that will show you how to make 2 projects in the box, and it could be a necklace and a bracelet or earrings. So let's see what we have. Oh my gosh, these are so cool. Wow, they are big. These are like European beads, I want to say. Oh my gosh, they look so old. They're like donuts. These are so cool. I love the color on them. I wonder how I'm going to be using these in the project. And by the way, I do always have a picture of the finished project at the beginning and end of this video. Sometimes I will do this video, open the stuff, and then I make the project and I post the picture at the beginning and end, and then I'll have people comment and say I can't see what you make with the project, but I showed what the finished project was at the beginning and end of the video. So I don't know if you guys realize that or not, but that's what I've been doing all this time. Okay, so here we have a cord. What kind of cord is this? I'm going to move this stuff here to the side. Is this flat? Oh my gosh, it's flat. I actually think that it's stitched. It was flat and then it was folded over, and it's either stitched or glued shut. That's cool. I have not seen a cord like this for jewelry making. It is extremely soft, by the way. Really soft, very supple. I think I'll put that away later to save time. And here we have a bail. Oh, maybe those beads are going to go on that cord. There's another cord there. I'll see. So here's a bail, and this bail has a large hole. It's very pretty. I like the design on it. It's kind of bohemian. Well, it is called BohemStyle, the box, so pretty. And then we have some more of these beads. Oh my gosh, this size is so cute. So this looks like the same color in a smaller size. I apologize for the screaming bird. I know that's bothersome. Those are so cool. I wonder if the small ones and the big ones are going to be used together in a necklace, or if like this will be for the bracelet and the big ones will be for the necklace. I'll see. Here are some cord and fold over findings with a clasp and a chain. Oh, it's a whole set. Look at that. The chain, the clasp, and the cord end fold over findings. That's cool. Okay, and then we have a jump ring. Boy, this stuff is everywhere. Jump ring, and we have some metal beads. Wow, these are cool. They kind of look like giraffe pattern on the beads. Oh, those are heavy. Solid. These are really pretty. I love those. Yeah, it's like a giraffe pattern. They're not hollow. See that looking inside the bead? You can see that they're solid. Those are pretty. Love those. Oh my gosh, there's more metal beads. There's a lot of them. Wow, there's a lot of them. Oh, these are gorgeous too. This is going to be a fun project. Very big holes. These are cool. They kind of look like a cactus for some reason to me. Like a really neat looking cactus. You know the one cactus has like the big red ball or purple ball on the top? That's what it kind of looks like. And then we have these beads, which are gorgeous. Love this. I just got a color like this in the Check Beads exclusive monthly subscription. They were candy beads, but they were a different shade of purple. This is like a gray purple. Those are so pretty. I just made an order through Check Beads exclusive, so I will be doing a bead haul soon. I ordered beads that had this finish on it, but I don't remember if I bought 4mm in this finish, Drux, or if it was something else, a seaweed or something. I'll see when I get it. I ordered a lot of stuff. And then we have some more metal beads. These are cool. I'm loving all the different shapes. Wow, these are really big. Look at that hole. It's a tube. Flowers on it. And then we have bead stringing wire. Wow, what is this project going to be? So these had small holes, of course, so there's probably going to be a necklace with big hole stuff, and maybe a bracelet with small hole stuff. So that's bead stringing wire there. Here is a jump ring, and there's gold and silver, so there's going to be two different pieces here. Oh my gosh, what is that? Is this actual, like a cactus? Because I was just talking about how that bead looked like a cactus. Is it wood? It kind of looks like a wooden branch or something. Like there's wood grain on it. What do you guys see? Those are cool. Okay, and I love this pendant right here. I have used a pendant that was just like this in the past. I got one just like this. Wow. It was gold. It was this big. Do you guys remember? It was a Dreamcatcher, but what I did, because of the other beads I had gotten in the subscription at the time, is I realized that I could make a flower on the top. So I did. It looked like a really big blue rose. It was gorgeous. Man, that was a really fun design. I still can't believe to this day that I thought of something like that, because what I got in the box, I used only what came in the box. I didn't use nothing of my own. It turned out so cool. And here is another really neat bead. This one actually, is there holes in it? No, there's not. I thought there was. It's a flower. I think I have beads similar to this one. Mine, I want to say, are a little bit smaller though. Wow, there are so many cool metal beads. Does this one have a butterfly on it? No, I think it's a flower. Square from this side. Those are pretty cool. And then we have some metal tubes. There's a bunch here. Like those. Gosh, I can't wait to see what this project is going to be. Oh my gosh. In pink now. So these here are purple. And these ones are pink. I have these in a 6mm. I think they're called strawberry. They're so pretty. They're so pricey too, by the way. This finish is a very pricey finish. No way. Is that a tassel? That is the world's tiniest tassel. Look at that. So tiny. That's incredible. I can't believe how small it is. And then we have some more drucks. These are 4mm. These ones here were 8, in case I didn't mention it. Pink. I just saw these. Did I just buy these? On Check Beads exclusive website. Oh, I don't remember. I got a bunch of different things. There were some things I put back. I changed my mind on some stuff. I'll see when the package gets here. I'll show you guys. Here are some more metal beads. I really like the variety of metal beads that they have. So it's rectangle. It's a really cool pattern. Okay, and then we have, is this a bail? Yeah, it's a bead bail. It's a bail that's a bead. It's stuck inside the bag. It's gold. Oh, actually, it's one of those patina ones. It's silver with gold patina on it. I like the beading in the middle. That's really cool. Okay, and then we have a teeny tiny star. So cute. It's really tiny. And then we have some closure stuff here. So this is the adjustable chain for the closure, and we have crimp covers, and we have a ball head pin and crimps, and we have jump rings. Those are some thick jump rings, and we have a lobster claw clasp, and then we have, I think I have some of these. Didn't I recently get these in the Check Beads exclusive subscription? They're crow beads. I think that's what they're called. And they're acid washed. So cool. And then we have some more cord. Is this suede lace? Yeah. Black suede lace. It's pretty. I have suede lace in it's like turquoise color and brown, and my aunt gave it to me. The one that she gave me is thicker than this one though. Hers is old stuff though. It's very smooth. Alright, so here's everything. I'm going to lay it all out for you guys because there is a lot of stuff here. You got to see everything together. Like, there's a ton of stuff here. I laid everything out, and as you can see, there is a lot of stuff in this subscription. And remember, I will have this subscription down there below, a link for it in the description bar. If you click show more, open that up, you'll see the link, and you can go and get yourself the subscription if you like it as much as I do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Make sure you click the bell button so you get notified when I upload new videos, and check me out on my social media sites. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.